Now we better platform that they call us say connect you, and this platform it don't come for help all we for Africa for solve we problem them better way. Sabi tell will I say for this platform you feel upload people that think the way it don't lost and it go help them see them, they go contact you and they go get their thing in peace. So and I tell when I say this competition too they go on where they reward people them for good way where they do this kind of good act. I tell you say thank you for their own small way for the good thing way they go do. Before we continue with other strong number that they aside, make we take this message them. I check say now food poisoning because with the lack of water, how people who wash their hand go do wash their hand and their chop before they cook them. I beg me government follow come water for buttocks. They suffer not too much. Rest in peace to the family. Chris from Limbe. Now Chris from Limbe, they talk rest in peace. For the family therefore here on the way they died because of food poisoning. And they beg government say may they follow come water because food poisoning too, they don't must necessarily put something inside the chop. Dirty, say feed key person. And if water not there for you to wash your hand and for wash your chop, fine. How you go do be safe? So it begs the government follow up this matter. Thank you, Chris from Limbe. And I choose salute for our people there for Limbe. Thank you now plenty. We'll take the other one. Well, wait till we go do it. We know say the sure say the gods never vex. First accident, then fire. Now water. My people, make we pray. Oh, Ben from Bomaka, Pastor Ben from Bomaka is telling us to pray. Say make we pray because the matter don't be not the way they need to pray. Every day we get serious problem the way it pass with power step and now that's I bring that for a table so the official will solve this problem them. All we will suffer from this problem then whether we like them or we not like them. I want to thank all now where they watch me from Bomaka, my sister Munya, I did Bibi salute Boya, I did Bibi salute for all now. I said Muna continue the watch the program. We go take una go now for the next thing we eat there for we table. This one a case for shooting. You understand? The one not between other people them as we sabi, the one are between police and thief people them. It take 2 towns only for cash. Police thief people they thief plenty money for bank. They travel 2 towns. That means police people they live for chase them for 2 different towns them. These people they go thief money for Kribi, run enter a day. As you hear, so my brother and sister they will now watch me for outside. Police people they follow them up, shoot sote. Then last, these people go jam other people their motor, fall inside bush for their side there, and then the police they now they be fit for can catch them. If the video not be ready, Mama Joe, may we see what way it happen. Yes. Now their motor that inside bush. For the thief people where they be run. The motor for inside bush as they be jam other motor. Sabi say they be run now from police where they pursue them. They follow them say they want must catch them. Trust what police. They sabi run where if you claim say they sabi run, they go show you say they sabi run into for food. Now so they be catch them. Now so they be follow them and catch them. People gather so now for see their own wonders and for see the good work where the police be do. Now the motor that now the place that for a day where the matter will take happen. Now in that and Tori way enter with here show say even as they be the shoot did their this thing, so small bad news be enter inside as highway gone stray bullet as we call them, it enter some pikin for only say for that side and the pikin die la. The pikin was rest, he just die la. there was nothing to say about the matter, not running to hospital, nothing to nothing. We say big Asia for the family there, for that pikin. And we pray say, me proper justice, if fall on top this boy them, so that may they suffer for the kind of bad thing way they don't do. So we say thief, not be fine thing way. We fit ever promote them for we country. We go take una go for the next case where we there for the table. This one na better news. I know sabi give only bad news. Me too, as sabi give better news for this outside. We talk congratulations for we brother. And we tell you say thank you for the good thing wey he do. Ile na kosi, he take his own people them for a fee. His own country people them too, where they sabi play better dupu. Carry am, they go Kumba. And they not correct Mbutumbu. For all man, now free eh? And the praise say they can't do a two for year free because for we for boy a year free because be said I go like to forget that kind free gesture. That day for love and how they be celebrate them, they go show love for their people there for Cuba. For Abu Ele, they do have for free so that all man free can wash them, celebrate love day with them. And they bring this news for Nana because I like the thing where they do them. And I want to encourage us, all we learn how to support we own, and we learn how to do good for people there. Not at all time they must pay you. For do something, sometimes them, you just need to do our free. Me all people, they enjoy them. Sabi say, these people don't play music for long, and they don't give you better music. Baba Joe, just give we will not be fit for go there, go sit down the whole day, but a small image we will see them. Now we'll bring up for now. How will people they be glad plenty. For the show.
Something is really wrong somewhere. 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 When you never watch, no man on the player. Musician they sing, no man on the singer. Really wrong somewhere. Something is 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 really wrong somewhere.
Something is really wrong somewhere. Even when these people they do good thing, now something is really wrong somewhere. Now we dance about bedola de batada. We say thank una plenty for the good thing we una do am. For Kumba people, we still they open and we still receive plenty of una messages. We say we'll continue to send them for the number they beg me una no call. Send the message. I go read them. Say our contribution them. We begin to talk about water problem where it don't over worry we and once see how we fit solve this problem. Only we. No, not by we not bring other people there. Only we go solve one problem. If he pass we go tell the other people where we show say now then get power for solve them. Now either I bring this story so that make we solve this thing. We will take some more teacup. I want to take on go international. Make we see the way to hear the happen for outside this country. Will they come back?
Connect You, and you're wondering what it's all about. Connect You is a social networking platform that empowers Cameroonians and Africans by connecting them through a vast network of people all across Africa and the world at large. Connect You helps make strategic connections based on interests and opportunities. The mission of Connect You is to empower Africans to make strategic connections that will take them from a life they have to the one they truly deserve. And the vision of Connect You is to help in building tools and services that will connect buyers to sellers, businesses to clients, employers to employees, donors to fund seekers, teachers to students, and people and families in Africa. We help them build communities of interest that will foster development in different domains of life.
Okay. Before we tell una the international news, I go like make we take the contribution we una don dey send am. This one say, wow, now so we supposed to interrupt. We were artists them. Wow, we own celebrity. Kosi, God go bless you. I attended and enjoyed. Breezy from Kumba town. That's now Breezy he tell me say it tell the artisan say true we say it tell us say thank una plenty for the show where una do he be there and he enjoy himself. So I say all man will be there. No man no be there no enjoy himself. The second no be small. No be na small palava. We'll take the other one. He say he don't stay where I hear good news concerning thief people. I salute these police people, the way they catch them, and these thieves done too much. Now true say plenty of them don't they escape. I beg try for the same way your name so that we feed it up. The call your name, the salute people the way they there for on our side. Now true say the thief done the too much, and a good thing say they don't catch them small. He want to talk, thank you for this police the way they do the brave act, and I saw they get for the work for keep we country clean and safe. For we international news, we go live for start for Nigeria. Palava answers end police brutality. It occur again, and this time the people where they try they not be get small peace. They not be small thing. Give them serious casting. Lay them in their proper. They catch them, lock them before they be release them. Now the matter that it pass for Lagos, Nigeria. For that side they call us say Lekki toll gate. As people to say, they hook up say they don't like the way police they treat them as they protest. Police people they decide to say they go protest until their skin. They let them not be small. We whip nonsense out of their brain. So that they go to think straight, or they don't go to think straight, you don't concern them. But the lane went on. They let them not be small. And that's all they be after 48 hours in Bahai cells, they were set free. So we are not bothered about the people where they be catch them. The protest will take place. They catch them, but they don't release them. They will catch about 20 people where they go protest, and they don't release them. We go take one across Africa, we'll fly, take one plane, we'll land for US. Sabi say they just come up for exchange power. Joe, my countryman, because myself I be Joe, and Donna, where they be exchange power, Donna deny say no go give you power. So they is supported them, they be vexed enter capital city, capital hall, when at their big house for their senator and parliamentarians them. Where they be shindong for count vote for last day for make sure say all thing be waka fine. So these people they be enter, they destroy all thing, threaten people their life, they beat someone them, lock someone them, but last all thing be die down. But the matter not be done finish, so they be catch Mr. Donald, former president for America like that. They catch him, they tell say no, he must be held accountable for this thing where it happened. And as we see, and they be take and go court, the judge and result don't come out say he not be guilty. It means say he had not be day. So the people they act on their own. He not be push. No man for go do anything. And if you for find guilty, if you been at the first president way, they the judge for that kind of style. Luckily say he not be first for bad thing. Now the story then that way will be get them for now this morning time. I hope say we don't talk the one way he taught you and we talk the one way he help you. My name na Papa Joe, my producer in name na Ann. For back camera na Mr. Fozo, Oliver, and for the technician side we get Mama Joe. Wait, I know say he like me plenty, but sometimes they like to pretend. We say thank you now for all na one of she on the watch with this morning time. Bye bye from CMTV.
My name is Fozo Oliver and I'm the product manager for ConnectU. ConnectU is a social networking platform that empowers Cameroonians and Africans by helping them to make strategic connections that will take them from the life they have to the life they deserve. ConnectU is the same as any social networking platform like Facebook, but here you get paid for commenting, liking, sharing, and more of that. You can search for job and ConnectU, and you can equally create jobs on ConnectU. Again, you can buy and sell legal products on ConnectU. ConnectU has many more features that can help you to make these strategic connections we talk about.